Most people buy Moroccan checkered rug and regret it. Here's how to choose the right one for your space. First, why Moroccan checkered rugs are trendy. They are trendy because they combine between minimalism, traditional Moroccan design, and modern aesthetic. And of course, choosing the right size. Here, this is the best tip. For if you go with a small rug, it will look cheap. If you go with a big Moroccan rug, it will overwhelm the space. So the rule here is that for a living room, front legs on a rug. For a bedroom, you need to get under bed plus sides visible. Okay, let's jump to picking the right pattern. There are three main types: black and white contrast, soft natural tones, and also hand-woven irregular patterns. If you want me to give you a tip here, if your room is busy, go simple. If your room is minimal, go bold. Okay, now let's jump to silent tips. To make it look expensive, pair with wood or natural furniture. Also add a contrast, for example, black accents or cushions, and also keep the rest of the room simple. This is my tip here. Okay, now that I've shared with you this Moroccan checkered rug buying guide, let me share with you my finds online. So let's start with the first Moroccan checkered rug. Of course, I will leave you links to all of those rugs. And yes, I think you will see them here or here. I'm not sure. Okay, let's start with the first red patchwork checkered rug. This rug is perfect if you want something bold and warm. The mix of red and soft naturals gives it a cozy vintage feel. It works best in simple spaces where the rug becomes the main focus. As you see, this is a beautiful rug. Let's jump to the second yellow and white checkered rug. This one instantly brightens the room. The yellow and white pattern adds energy and fresh modern vibe. It is perfect for spaces with natural light and lots of plants. Now let's jump to the famous black and white checkered rug. This is the most versatile style. Black and white keeps it clean, modern, and easy to match. If you want a timeless look, this is the safest choice. And of course, I will leave you links to all of those rugs. Yes, rugs. Not in this video description, but directly in this video. Just type in the tagged product. And of course, if you like green or if you like nature, you will like this green and cream chocolate rug. This rug feels calm and natural. The green tones bring a soft, earthy look without being too bold. Great for minimal or relaxing spaces like bedrooms. That was all for this video. If you like this style of videos, don't forget to encourage me by giving this video a like, and see you in the next one.